Um, I think we went too far north. What do you think, babe?
We're definitely not in Michigan anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't check our GPS or our map. We don't really read a map. How we end up in the North Pole? We have made it to Upper Michigan. Checking out the waterfalls. We're gonna explore Marquette, Munising. I think that's how I say it. Anyway, it's gonna be good times. She's excited. Fall colors up here are amazing. Reds, orange, you name it. Tequila, I don't know how to say it, but pretty cool. Alright, we are at Sugarloaf Mountain. Now, unfortunately, we have rain moving in, so we don't have much time. So we're going to go up here, try to get some cool shots and this view. I mean, this is like one of the main reasons you come to Marquette, for the colors and the viewpoint over the Lake Superior and everything. So, let's see what we can do without getting stormed upon. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Doesn't look that hard. This looks awesome. This is super cool up here. There's many spots in Michigan that you sit up like this. So this is totally worth it. You see the overcast clouds and everything. I love it. I thought there'd be like more color down there. I mean, you see some. Let's see what we can capture. Yeah, there's a lot of pine trees around here. Still gonna be cool though. Alright, let's get some pictures. So, cool little tip. Okay, so Lake Superior is over on that side of the mountain, which is really cool in itself. But the backside, you can see all the colors even more in the trees, because it's more like evergreens over there. Super cool. Digging it. Dramatic clouds. Super neat. I have to turn that into a black and white, even though we're here for fall colors. So quick camera tips and tricks. I don't know if you can see it. 2 seconds. You'll never hold it when you're trying to do a long shutter speed. I just need it to be long enough to create more light into the picture, because I want it as clear as possible. So it's like a f22, so it's pretty down there. So incredible shot though, huh? I think so. So now we have made it from the mountain to the lighthouse. And I climbed out on this little perch right here to get this cool moody sky and everything. So yeah, let's get some pictures before the rain comes in. I think you're gonna like this. Super cool little spot. I'm digging it. Thumbs up. Ooh, got dark clouds coming in. Move quick. Continuing on the Marquette adventures. Now, We are at Dead River Falls. That's not the main one. That's just the first one you come to. When you get there, it's like you gotta walk up this hill. It's like you gotta walk up to walk down, back down to the river. It kind of sucks. But in any case, here's the first one, and then we're gonna head over to the big one, which is down the trail more. Let's get some cool pictures. It's gonna be fun. It's kind of a fun hike in a way. The trail's not really well marked along this riverbank, you would think, because you're just going along the river, but it's not. So you kind of have to trial and error to see if you're on the right thing, looking for footprints of other people. But kind of fun though. Ooh, I think I see something. Huh? That's potential. We made it again. Personally, I think the second stop was the best waterfall. It's smaller. I'm watching my steps there, but it had more going on. This one's pretty cool though. Let's see if we can't get a shot. Not the colors. Why can't I get these colors in it? Go on our discovery photo adventure Marquette here. It's pretty cool. I really enjoyed this hike, the Dead River Falls. There's some really good spots. I don't think I showed the second spot real good. So I'm gonna do a video of that right now. Jagged rocks, cool waterfalls. This is a money spot. Totally cool. I don't know why I didn't give enough video on this before. I love this spot. Jagged rocks, Miners Castle area. Oh yeah, exploring more of the Marquette Munising area. It's been raining on and off, so it's been a little crazy. You can probably hear the wind. Lake Superior is like nutty nuts right now, but we're gonna get what we can out of this whole thing. And yeah, let's get some pictures, let's have some fun. Check out these waves. Those be like surfing waves. Holy cow. But making the best out of it with the weather situation that we've had. So let's see what else we can find. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know if you can see it from here. I'm gonna get out just slightly above this thing. Not really going real far. But there's a lighthouse there and the red one's over there. I'm gonna try to frame this up. This is gonna look cool. Check this out. So interesting stop in the Marquette Munising area is Lakeland Land. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Junkyard Art Sculptures. It's a really cool spot. The guy has a government attitude, which is pretty cool because they tried to shut him down at one point. It's like all this outdoor stuff and whatnot. So we're going to explore it, see what we can find. It's pretty busy actually. It's all free. Can't complain about that. Watch out for the boat. It's gonna get you. Like the Godzilla guy. You got a fish. You got fish. Hello. He's almost like a Terminator guy.
I think that's a good.
Some of these are really neat. Oh, there's more of the rusty chain band right there. He's gonna get you. He's big. I think that's just about it. So, very cool. Definitely come check this out. I don't know if it's gonna show up on video or not. It's really cool. Just driving along. See all the colorful trees.